Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Shrine Log. Today we are here to discuss about Sarpa Samskara Puja held at Sri Kukke Subramanya Kshetra. Sarpa Samskara Puja is one of the most powerful and potent ways of pleasing the Nagas. The puja resolves the ill effects of killing a snake in a previous birth. Sarpa Samskara Puja is performed in Kukke Subramanya Kshetra in Karnataka. The puja removes the Sarpa dosha from one's horoscope. Come, let's understand Sarpa Samskara Puja procedure, how to book online, benefits of performing this puja, and the best dates to perform this puja. How to book Sarpa Samskara Puja online in Kukke Subramanya Temple. You can book the puja online at the official temple website. The same has been updated in the description box. The booking slots are opened 90 days in advance, but remember to book as soon as possible because the slots are getting filled very quickly. You can also book the puja offline by paying cash at the temple counter. Let us know the story behind Sarpa Samskara Puja at Kukke Subramanya Temple. Lord Subramanya is believed to be a protector of snakes. It is also believed that Vasuki, the king of snakes, was protected from Garuda at this place. Hence, it is the common belief that anyone who harms a snake must come and appease Lord Subramanya to give forgiveness from the divine sin. Who should perform Sarpa Samskara Puja? As per Hindu belief, any man or woman who has knowingly or unknowingly killed a snake in their previous birth suffers from Sarpa dosha in his or her horoscope. The direct effect of this dosha is that one's marriage can be delayed or unsuccessful. A person suffering from Sarpa dosha must perform this puja to atone from their sin. Any couples having infertility issues or trouble conceiving a baby are advised to perform the Sarpa Samskara Puja. A person experiencing delayed marriage or delay in occurrence of any important work are advised to perform the puja. Any person experiencing skin diseases or bad health must perform this puja. Here is the list of benefits of Sarpa Samskara Puja. By offering the Sarpa Samskara Puja to Lord Subramanya, it is believed that one gets relief from Sarpa dosha in his or her horoscope. This puja is performed for achieving better career and financial growth of a person. Fertility and child-related issues are believed to be resolved by performing this puja. Problems such as delay in marriages and skin diseases are cured after performing this ritual. When should one perform Sarpa Samskara Puja? The Sarpa Samskara Puja can be performed on all days except Ekadashi, Dashami, Gokulashtami, Shivratri, any eclipse days, and during the temple annual festival which lasts for about 15 days. Also please note, the monsoon season is not a suitable time to perform this puja because the temple is located in a hilly area where mudslides are very common. Here is how to do Sarpa Samskara Puja. Number 1. Priest appointed by the temple. A maximum of 4 people are allowed to perform this puja under one ticket. The temple appoints a Brahmin priest who is well versed with the rituals of this puja. Number 2. 2 days puja. The first day is for performing the puja and second day is for food and prasad. Number 3. First day puja at the temple. The first day puja starts at 7 am and ends at 12:30 pm. The devotees has to wake up early and take a dip in the Kumaradhara river. They have to then report at the Adi Subramanya temple, where after the puja they will be given a Diksha Vastra. This Vastra is important and should be worn on the second day of the puja. Number 4. Second day, food and prasad. After the rituals on the first day, the devotees are provided with food and prasada. As per the tradition, the participants of the puja should not eat outside the temple premises during the 2 days of the puja. Number 5. Pinda Pradhana. The second day ritual consists of Pindi Pradhana and Tarpana for 64 times. This ritual means the transferring of the soul to higher realms of existence and granting of moksha. The puja concludes with the Naga Pratishta at the Subramanya temple. What is the dress code recommended for this puja? Men are advised to wear dhoti and women must wear sari or salwar suit. All the Sarpa Samskara puja materials will be provided by the temple authorities by paying the required money at the counter. Where to perform Sarpa Samskara puja? Sarpa Samskara puja is performed in the Yagashala in Kukke Subramanya temple. What is the cost of performing Sarpa Samskara puja? The cost of performing Sarpa Samskara puja at the Kukke Subramanya temple is rupees 3,200. The booking must be done well in advance as the unique puja slots get filled up fast. If you are facing any of the problems as discussed, please take the guidelines from the astrologer and atone your sins by visiting the Punya Kshetra, Kukke Subramanya temple and performing Sarpa Samskara puja. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, share, comment and help us to upload more videos. Jai Hind.